Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello friends and welcome to another video of Technical Chaharji. In my previous video you already seen the Oppo F9 Pro unboxing. In this video I'm going to talk about that how the camera quality of that phone. Even if you look at this video, I'm shooting it right now with the Oppo F9 Pro only. So I'm your friend Manish and you're watching Technical Chaharji, so let's get started with the video. So here are the few camera samples which I shot it with my Oppo F9 Pro. As you can see, even in the dark light, even when there's no artificial light available, the photo quality is been very good. It has captured really well all the effects of the picture. Here are again some of the samples which I've taken in the brighter daylight, and it comes out to be very great in terms of the picture quality. So for my personal experience, the photo quality of the Oppo F9 Pro is very great. I feel very good with the effect of while taking out the pictures from the Oppo F9 Pro. Even while shooting out the outro with the Oppo F9 Pro, you can see the camera separation from the front camera and it comes out to be very great. So I hope you like this video. Please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.